Well, hello Faazi. You're a member of the jury for the Sustainability Impact Award. Can you introduce yourself first?
Yeah, sure. So it's very, very nice to be a part of this award. My name's Faazi. I'm the Sustainability Director at Evonik Animal Nutrition.
So why do you think it's a good thing to have an award like this in the feed and farming world?
I mean, sustainability is important for every industry, but especially so for agriculture. And I think we all know by now that climate change, water scarcity, all of these things are going to have a very, very significant impact on the way that we produce food in the future. And that means we need to act now to secure that future. And anything that can celebrate innovation, celebrate progress, and inspire people to keep working towards integrating sustainability in production is, to me, always a good thing.
So Evonik invests a lot of effort in sustainability. How does that connect to you as a jury member?
That's a great question. I mean, at Evonik, we have a very, very long history of working on sustainability, as you mentioned, both in our own operations, trying to reduce our own environmental footprint, and also making sure that we develop products that help our customers improve their sustainability performance as well. And I think the one thing that we've learned over the years is that collaboration is essential to make these kinds of things a success, whether that's collaborating with our customers, more broadly with other value chain stakeholders, but also looking beyond our business to see where the new developments lie, new ideas, new innovations. I think organizations can always learn something new from the outside world. And it's a real pleasure to be a part of this jury and invite the innovators in this field to come and present their ideas and really kind of see what's out there in the market and hopefully, spur innovation on towards where we need to be.
Exactly. And how are you personally working on sustainability?
There are all sorts of ways that we're sort of developing more sustainable approaches to our work at the moment, whether that's internal training, also helping our customers to understand a bit more about what sustainable animal production can look like, the potential of the animal nutrition industry there. And I think what's most exciting about this actually is that we do have a lot of tools already at our disposal. So looking at the products, the services, the technologies that we already use, making sure we're using those to their full potential, and also developing new ideas as well. We can use what we already have and also look more broadly to new ideas that help customers improve their sustainability performance.
So what are you hoping to see in a project regarding the awards? Do you want to see like bold new ideas or projects that can be started right away?
I'm keeping an open mind. I think both different types of approaches are very important. I mean, we talk a lot in the agtech and innovation world about bold new approaches. And of course, to big challenges, we do need bold new approaches, but we also need to make sure that these are something we can easily implement quickly and at scale. I think something that people forget sometimes when it comes to working on sustainability is that it's not just the sort of the size of the impact that you can have, but the speed that's important as well. And to really make sure that we protect our environment and secure the future of agriculture, speed is just as important as scale. So I wouldn't lean into one direction over another. I really think both approaches are extremely important, and I'm really looking forward to seeing what kinds of entries we get.
So where do you see the biggest opportunities in the feed sector to make the food chain more sustainable?
I think there are so many different opportunities. It's hard to pick just one. But I mean, the feed sector contributes the vast majority of sustainability impacts to overall animal production. So seeing as the feed sector is one of the biggest contributors, that also means that we have the most opportunities to reduce that impact. And I think the wider food chain is still not quite aware of the role that animal nutrition and feed formulations can play in improving sustainability impacts in animal production. So I think one of the most important things that we have to do is raise awareness of that potential, raise awareness of the fact that we have solutions to this challenge, and we're constantly innovating to make those solutions even more effective. So I really think that's the most important thing that we need to work on, and then naturally the rest will follow.
So on a personal note, what do you think you're going to enjoy most about being on this jury?
I think I'm really going to enjoy the opportunity to learn something from all of the organizations that enter this award. There are, as I said, so many different organizations working on solutions to these critical challenges, and I'm sure that all of us on the jury will learn something from the entries that we receive.